So, heute beginne ich ein klein bisschen auf Deutsch. Ich begrüße Sie ganz, ganz herzlich zu unserem Seminar Scientific English, Scientific Presentations in Biology. Ich begrüße nicht nur meine Zuhörer hier im Raum, sondern, wie Sie wissen, haben wir jetzt eine neue Zuhörerschaft gewonnen. Wir werden ein bisschen auch online gehen. Heute auch ein kleiner Exkurs erstmal zum Angewöhnen und ich begrüße auf jeden Fall deshalb unsere Online-Zuhörer auch ganz, ganz herzlich. So, with that I would like to jump into English because it's scientific English, and for today we are working with a very, very interesting field in biology, so we are interested in ecology. Ecology means that this is both ecology of plants, ecology of animals, and if we are expected to talk in ecology, we definitely need vocabulary. And for today, I would like to have a very first brief look on words that are necessary when talking in the terms of ecology. So maybe I read this aloud. So you can see here in the left-hand part of the English words, we have the translation over there. And as you know, everything will be just placed also on my homepage, so you will definitely have the chance to read this by heart as well. So, let me start here. So, we probably know that ecology, this is very closely connected to abiotic stress. This is our first word, Stress and Deutsch. So, we have three very interesting terms here. These are the next one: acclimation, adaptation, adjustment. Three versions. An organism might just adjust to the environment, and you probably know that the acclimation, this is a term from cold stress adaptation. A plant who is just going to cold has to acclimate to the situation. Adaptation, adjustment, very nice terms from the field of ecology. So let us jump to the next things. Agriculture. Everything in ecology has to do with agriculture, because we are so closely interested in understanding how a crop plant can just grow, what's necessary to adapt to other environmental conditions. Anoxia, the missing of oxygen. This is a typical abiotic stress. Aquatic, you of course know, aquatics, this is the environment in water. Avoidance, a term we should just definitely keep in mind, says that a plant can just get rid of a stress situation. So, biotic stress, vice versa to the abiotic stress. Biotic stress means that we are confronted with pathogens, whereas abiotic stress says that we are just exposed to different conditions in the environment. So, bladder cell, I will just explain this later on. This is a very nice organ of canalized plant, so we see this later on. We have carbon as a very interesting nutrient. We have cold as a typical stress. I would like to have a very brief look already around. So you probably know that I'm absolutely fond of salt stress because it's my research. So, and here I would like to have a very first look on salt stress conditions. So you probably know that salt stress is present in plants when irrigation makes problems. If plants are irrigated with saline water, they are confronted definitely with salt stress. Salt stress means that plants have a problem. So here is a very nice picture. This is from the Arid Sea region. So here actually people were just growing cotton for many, many years, and they didn't care for fresh water versus saline water. They were watering the plant with marine water, and you see here the very dramatic effect. No cotton is growing here anymore. There is a desert left, and here in the desert only a few specialist plants are living. These are the halophytes. So this is the term of halophytes. Actually, I would like to stop at this point, and I'm looking forward to our next meeting, because then I will explain to you what is a halophyte, what is a glycophyte. So what does this mean if a plant is exposed to salt stress, and we will of course look for the other stresses as well. So with that, I'd like to thank you very much for our introduction, and I'm looking forward to see you next time. So, thanks a lot.